Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Monopoly Go Airplane Mode Glitch. Does it still work on Android? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering if the Monopoly Go Airplane Mode Glitch here still works. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, to answer the question here is yes, the glitch still works here, but from the name itself, it's a glitch. So meaning the developers are looking for ways to remove it from the game permanently. But if you try using it right now, well, it's pretty much still available. Again, if you try using this one, like what I said in other videos, you may want to be careful. Sometimes you may get banned, so use it at your own risk. Now, in this case, how does it actually work? Now, it works by basically predicting what your rules are going to be through the use of what we call airplane mode. Now, first thing that you want to remember here is you want to make sure that your account is secure, so you have to connect your account to a Facebook account so that you can recover it later on. So again, connect it to a Facebook account. Now, once you've done that, you want to remember where your token is going to be and what's your multiplier. Now, once you do remember that, you can go ahead and basically close this up. You could go and just basically go to your settings here and enable airplane mode and start rolling. Now, in here, it's going to start rolling. And we got a 6. And let's go and just roll another one. We got a 7. And we got an 8. So remember, we got a 6, 7, and 8. Now, from here on, again, you can start rolling again and again until you get the no internet connectivity option here. So again, you can go and just write everything that you're going to see in here until the no internet connectivity appears. Now, from here on, as long as you keep the same multiplier here, you don't have to worry about anything. As you can see right now, I'm still rolling. And once the no interconnectivity is actually pops up, that's where things is going to end. So let's go and just roll again and see what we're going to get. Until the no interconnectivity. Now, this actually depends. So sometimes you can only roll like 2 or 3. Now, in here, I got to roll a lot of in here. But yeah, once it appears, you go exit this one. And you want to go and look for the Monopoly Go app. Now, you can go and press and hold on Monopoly Go. Click on the eye icon to access app info. Now, you can also access app info by going to your settings, going to apps, and just looking for Monopoly Go. Now, go and click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Click on clear all data and OK. Now, once you've done that, you can go exit the screen. You can go ahead and just go to your settings again and turn off airplane mode. Now, once you've done that, you can go open up Monopoly Go again, and basically this will restart the app. Now, the thing with this one is you need to re-log into your account. That's why you need to connect your previous account, your account to a Facebook account so that you can recover it. And also, the thing with this one is you can, again, like what I said before, you can predict what your dice rolls are going to be as long as you keep your current multiplier. Now, the only downside here is if you try using this, your account may get banned or limited depending on how much you are using this. But in this case, you just need to log in. You're going to specify your age. Click on I agree, play with friends in here, and log in. Now, this might take a while because, again, it might take a while. You're re-logging again. You will get all those pop-ups whenever you open up the game. But once you are logged in, you're going to pretty much start to on the very first position when we started rolling. So yeah, let's just wait for this one real quickly here. And we should be able to log in and see all the pop-ups. You just need to close that one, those pop-ups. So yeah, let's go and close this one and close this pop-up here. And let's go and close it. Now, in here, as you can see right now, we just started. We are starting again on the very first position and on the same multiplier. Now, like what I said before, as long as you keep your multiplier and click on go, you're pretty much going to get the same output. As you can see, we got a 6, and we are going to get a 7 in here. Now, if you continue rolling here, you're again pretty much going to get the same thing. But if you change the multiplier, that's where things get interesting. Now, you're pretty much going to get a different output. Like, for example, we got a 7 instead of an 8 in here, which is like a great way for you to avoid like um, uh, roles that are not ideal. So basically, you can manipulate how you're going to perform in here. So just in case you land in a jail here, you can avoid that by using this technique. But yeah. So the only downside here is like what I've been saying before here is you may get your account restricted or even banned. So you may get this warning here. Now, if you try re-log in again and again into your account, you may get the limit warning. So this is the way for them to basically limit how people are logging and re-logging or trying to abuse the system or the glitch inside the game. So in this case, especially if you're trying to participate in an event, you won't be able to participate for 24 hours, which is quite a hassle here if you're going to think about it. And if you try to really abuse the glitch, you may get banned as well. But yeah, so that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.